Hi friends, I'm Gina and I'm glad you're here. Today we're making a dump and go Italian beef roast in the Instant Pot. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my beef roast in there. Mine is about a 2.5 pound roast, and just keep in mind you want to cook your beef for like 15 to 20 minutes per pound. I'm using a packet of ranch and a packet of Italian. Add as many pepperoncini peppers as you like, as well as the juice. Now add 1 cup of beef broth. I'm going to put my lid on. Make sure it's in the sealing position. Now I'm going to set my timer for 60 minutes. This version is a dump and go version, so it's got a few basic ingredients in it, but you could always add a few extra things if you're not in a real big hurry. You can add things like garlic, onions, bell peppers. You could also brown your roast in a little bit of oil for the Maillard effect. That's also really tasty. So the timer's gone off and I'm going to release the rest of the pressure. Smells so good. Now you guys can serve this on buns, or you can serve it with mashed potatoes. It's just kind of however you like it. I've tried it on toasted garlic bread and I really like that. My favorite part. Oh, it smells so good. That was really good.